I'm going to show you how to make a crowd favorite mac and cheese. Only 4 ingredients, no rule required, ready in under 10 minutes. I'll also show you 3 other creative variations you can make using a standard mac and cheese. First, we'll make a basic mac and cheese. I'm adding in the cheese slowly and not all together so that it melts evenly and it forms a very smooth sauce. I'm going to add a little bit of mustard, so the mustard will help to emulsify the sauce better. So once the cheese sauce is very smooth, I'll turn off the heat and fold in the cooked macaroni. Let me show you how to spice it up, Indian style. Chicken curry mac and cheese. So the mayo will help give a nice golden brown crust because mayonnaise is made mostly out of oil, and because of that I don't need to put extra oil or butter in the pan. Alright, we are ready to grill the grilled cheese. I want the cheese to melt evenly, so I'm going to press it down, and it also creates flatter surface so there's even browning. Just a tip, I'm using store-bought frozen buffalo wings which I've defrosted, tore apart and chopped it up. This saves a lot of time, and these frozen wings are already pre-cooked, so it saves you one extra step of cooking the raw chicken. It's a very easy snack to prepare when you have friends coming over, and it takes almost no time to do. Buffalo wings usually are served with blue cheese dip. I'm doing a slightly lighter version made with Greek yogurt and a little bit of garlic. From one humble mac and cheese, look at what I've created. Disclaimer, don't look for me if you kena heart attack or high cholesterol, but do give this a try. Thank you.